Welcome back to Tech Guys, where we bring you the latest in the world of technology. Today, we'll look at a new list of cool technology that's going to change the future. The smallest supercapacitor. The innovation we'll be discussing is a genuine medical breakthrough. A research team at Germany's Chemnitz University of Technology unveiled the world's smallest supercapacitor less than a month ago. It has volume of 0.001 cubic millimeters, whereas traditional supercapacitors currently in use have a volume of 3 cubic millimeters. That's 3,000 times less. Surprisingly, for a device of that size, the input voltage is comparable to that of a AA battery. Because of its small size and the unique supercapacitor mechanism, it can be charged with human blood as a natural electrolyte. This, in turn, opens up new opportunities for the operation of medical sensors incorporated into the human body in the future. This advancement will have a major impact on disease detection and treatment. Spirit of innovation. The following vehicle represents a significant advancement for the air taxi industry. Rolls-Royce, which typically deals with automobiles, took on this venture a few years ago in part to set a speed record for electric propeller aircraft. It made its first test flight in the United Kingdom on September 15th of 2021. The journey lasted 15 minutes. The test flight was considered a success, so the model will now enter the development phase with recurring test flights to collect data on internal operating efficiency. The ultimate goal is to get the aircraft up to 300 miles per hour. However, it still has the largest capacity battery ever built for an aircraft. It is made up of 6,000 cells that can produce 750 kilowatts of power. The 3 blades are rotated by 3 YASA 750R electric motors, which have an energy efficiency of up to 90%. Melton Beta. The Alpha, the first version of this robot, was introduced to the public in March 2018. Specialists from the Japanese company Melton MMI used their robotics knowledge to create it. A few years later, the beta version was released. This time, the specialists consider the commentary and wants of prospective clients. Furthermore, this model is now ready to be tested in real-world industrial settings. The Melton Beta is a smart robot that can replace humans in dangerous or risky jobs. It can function in extreme temperatures and in environments containing hazardous chemical, radioactive, or biological substances. The robot was created to be human-like. The mechanized arms are required for a variety of manipulations and can be equipped with specialized machines. This model outperformed its predecessor in terms of arm functionality, mobility, efficiency, and usability. When working with virtual reality, it is faster, more maneuverable, more sturdy and stable, and achieves greater precision. Microsoft HoloLens 2. Microsoft claims that their latest innovation is a game changer. These are mixed reality glasses that help you work more efficiently. The user can interact with 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional things in front of them as if they were real. With the highest resolution available, this device allows the user to see not only text, but also the smallest details of the projections. The operation is simple and straightforward. Even in the noisiest environments, the glasses recognize voice commands. The HoloLens 2 is essentially a Wi-Fi connected standalone computer that is much easier to use. After all, the headset can be worn at any time and from any location, and the user is not restricted by wires. The glasses are intended for extended use. Furthermore, they do not interfere with your prescription glasses and can be worn over them. This device will set you back $3,500. In addition, the manufacturer provides an industrial variant for use in aggressive and hazardous environments at a price of $5,000. Orbital O2. The world's most powerful tidal turbine went into operation in July of this year. It arrived in Scottish waters between the Orkney Islands thanks to orbital marine power. The floating platform and two submerged gondolas of Orbital O2 have a combined capacity of 2 million watts. This is enough to power approximately 2,000 UK homes. This is an alternative and environmentally sustainable energy source that reduces humanity's carbon footprint by 2,200 tons per year. The turbines are bidirectional, meaning they work at both high and low tide. The power plant's size is mind-boggling. It's 242 feet long, with 32-foot blades that cover more than 717 square yards. The turbine is 680 tons in weight. Its construction, which began in 2019, took several years as expected. Play Pulse 1. This exercise machine from the Norwegian company Play Pulse AS will make physical activity more enjoyable for everyone. The built-in game computer during the workout turns your workout into a fun game. Pedaling develops into actions in-game. The process on the screen, according to the developer's idea, is so interesting and entertaining that you don't feel the exhaustion of physical activity. The invention is currently in development, but you can pre-order it. In addition, 4 exciting games that work in both multiplayer and single-player modes have already been designed exclusively for Play Pulse 1. You can work out and play with your friends or random Play Pulse 1 users. Wireless headphones can also be used with the device. Furthermore, you can watch movies and TV shows from any popular streaming service as long as you keep pedaling. It is currently available for pre-order for $1,400. Chain Mail Fabric. Nanyang Technological University and the California Institute of Technology collaborated to create this smart fabric. It has a structure that is similar to chain mail. It is made up of a large number of triangular elements that are connected in a unique way. The fabric is elastic, stretchable, and flexible in its initial state. However, when placed in a compressed vacuum environment, it stiffens 25 times. Plastic or metal is used to 3D print the fabric. It can even withstand strong shocks in the latter case. In the future, the technology will be used to create protective exoskeletons for the elderly, as well as to build temporary bridges. BMW iVision Circular. This vehicle was unveiled in early September. It is a prototype, but it demonstrates BMW's vision for future automobiles beginning in the distant year 2040. The iVision Circular is powered by electricity. But that isn't its main selling point. The iVision Circular is completely recyclable and eco-friendly. The body is constructed of recycled aluminum. To be environmentally friendly, it was not painted but rather anodized. The back is constructed of recycled steel. To achieve the blue color, the metal was heat-treated. 30% of the components are made from recycled waste, but the company hopes to increase this figure to 50% in the future. The car's outline was simplified as much as possible. To save on materials, the designers tried to reduce the number of unnecessary details, and even the logos, as you may have noticed, were engraved on the metal in the cabin. A large touchscreen has taken the place of the traditional buttons. The gauges are projected directly onto the windshield. However, the prototype will not be mass-produced. Of course, BMW intends to use the solutions it represents in the production of its next generation of cars, which is scheduled for 2025. Cool, right? Since some of these are still in its initial stages of production, you still have time to save up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our Tech Guys channel so you won't miss all the new videos that come out every other day that are all about tech news and reviews from some tech guys. Check you out next time.